You know that sound? Soyez le bienvenu. Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po to Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Okay? We're back. Okay, wow. Surprise? Admiration? Let's express our emotions in French with le déterminant exclamatif. Okay? A1 po ito for the beginners, but it's very important. They are simple form, but strong in feelings. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, le déterminant exclamatif. Okay, demonstrative determinants po ito. Okay, express emotion, surprise, and admiration o admiration in English. What are these? These are what, such, o ano. Okay, what or such. Like for example, quel. Quel. But be careful. Quel, masculin, singulier, c'est Q-U-O-L. Quel. Ano. What, okay? Féminin. Quelle. C'est Q-U-U-L-E. Remember, yung L is she. Tingnan nyo, look at, you will see L is she. So, féminin. Quelle. Next, pluriel, c'est quel, Q-U-E-L-S. We don't pronounce the S, but there is an S with quel. And pluriel po femina is quel, Q-U-U-L-O-S. We don't pronounce the S at the end, okay? Get it? So masculine, quel, Q-U-U-L. And then we have femina, Q-U-U-L-E, quel. Pluriel, c'est Q-U-O-L-S. You just add for the masculine singulier, S. And we have to add also S sa feminine ng singulier ng quel. Example. Quel beau jour! Quel beau jour! What a beautiful day! Ang ganda ng panahon, okay? Quel beau jour! Next, ça c'est quel beau jour because beau jour c'est masculin. Donc we use quel. Okay? Next, quelle belle maison. Quelle belle maison. Z. Quelle belle maison because maison c'est féminin. So we use quelle. Q-U-U-L-E. Quelle belle maison. Belle aussi c'est féminin. Okay? What a beautiful house. Quelle belle journée, par exemple. What a very good day today. Okay? Quelle belle journée. What a good day today. Okay? Next, pluriel. Quel film regardes-tu? Quel film regardes-tu? What movies do you watch? Okay? Ano pinanood mo? Quel film? Because Q-U-L-S, c'est pluriel, and the film avec un S, okay, it's pluriel. So, what movies do you watch? Okay, what? What movies do you watch? Okay. Next, plurial ng femina. Quelle bonne idée! Quelle bonne idée! Because bonne idée, c'est féminin, but bonne, regardez, bonne, B-O-2-N-O-S, we don't pronounce the S. Hindi natin pinopronounce yung S. And idée is idea. Idée. S. Idée, ideas, because it's plural. Bonne is pluriel, and bonne also c'est féminin. Okay? And idée aussi c'est féminin. That's why quelle bonne idée. Okay? Get them all? So quelle. Okay? Merci. Okay, so le determinant exclamatif po, we have 3 examples here, okay? 3 languages. Okay, we have masculin singulier. In masculin, we use quel. Q-U-E-L. Quel, okay? Next, we have 3 examples here. Quel livre lis-tu? Quel livre? Because livre is masculin, and then we use quel. Li from the word lire. To read. Tu is you, okay? So, which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? Okay? Anong libro ang binabasa mo? Okay? Ano? Okay, quel. Next. Quel jour sommes-nous? Quel jour sommes-nous? Because quel jour c'est masculin. Donc, on utilise quel. Sommes-nous is we have nous sommes. We are. Okay. When we ask question, we start with the verb and then after the pronoun. Okay. Quel jour sommes-nous? What day is it? Anong araw na tayo ngayon? Okay. Quel jour sommes-nous? Okay. Next, 3. Quel bon repas! Quel bon repas! What a good meal! Quel bon, B-O-N is masculine. Donc, quel, Q-U-L, repas is food, pagkain. So, what a good meal! Ang sarap ng pagkain. Yummy, yummy. Okay? So, I hope it's clear. Masculine, we use quel. Q-U-E-L. Get it? Merci po. Now we have le déterminant exclamatif pour féminin singulier. On utilise quel. Q-U, Q-U-E, double L-E. Okay? Okay, look. Elle. Elle is she. So, elle is she. So, yun ang femina o feminine. Okay? Na isa lang. Only one. Quelle heure est-il? When you ask time, what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Because time, heure, c'est féminin. Est-il, what time is it? Il est. Il est is, it is. Okay? Quelle heure est-il? We need to reverse the verb with the pronoun. Quelle heure est-il? Anong oras na? Okay? Okay. Il est, sasagot kayo. Il est, par exemple, il est 15 heures. Il est 15 heures. Okay? 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Il est 15 heures. Okay? Next. Quelle robe aimes-tu? Quelle robe aimes-tu? Okay? Quelle robe? Because une robe, c'est féminin. Tu aimes. Aime. Verb aimer. Tu aimes. Okay? Verb aimer. Aimer is to like or to love. Okay? Aimer. U-R yun. Then we have change it with U-S. Okay? Premier person. Okay? This is the premier group ng UR po natin ng verb. Okay? Okay. So, which dress do you like? Aling damit ang gusto mo? O anong damit o yung robe o yung dress na gusto mo? Okay? Dress. Next. Quelle belle journée! Quelle belle journée! Because journée, belle is already feminine. Et journée aussi, c'est féminin. Donc, quelle, we use quelle. What a beautiful day. Okay? Napakagandang araw ngayon. Mainit. Okay, at walang ulan po. Okay, so get it? So, féminin, singulier, we use quel. Q-U-E-2-L-E. Okay, get them all? Merci beaucoup. Let's move with the déterminant exclamatif with pluriel masculin. Pluriel na po ito. When we say pluriel, plural, two or more. Okay? Are you ready? Quel film regardes-tu? Quel film regardes-tu? Regardez, quel. C'est Q-U-U-L-S. But we don't pronounce les S. Quel avec un S. Film avec un S because there are many films, movies. Donc, regardes-tu from the word regarder. Regarder is to look or to watch. Okay? Tu regardes. Okay? Premier person ulit yan ng regarder ng UR. Verb UR. Okay? To regard US, okay? Which movies are you watching? Okay? Which movies? Anong mga pelikulang pinapanood mo? Okay? Quel film regardes-tu? Okay. So you can say action, film d'action et tout. Okay, next. Quel pays visites-tu? Quel pays? Because pays is plural. Pays with an S, okay? Pays. Quel pays visites-tu? Which countries are you visiting? Aling mga bansa ang binibisita mo? Okay? Quel pays visites-tu? J'ai déjà, je vais visiter beaucoup de pays. Okay? Marami. Okay? Maraming bansa. Okay, next. Because pays is masculine. Film also is masculine. So you use pluriel because there is an S, marami. Quel beaux enfants! Quel beaux enfants! Okay, quel because beau na with X. Beau, B-O-A-U, pogi, handsome, magaganda. But with X, it means there are a lot of enfants. Enfants ang mga children. Enfants because they're in S. So, children po yan. There are more. What beautiful children, okay, they are, okay? Ang gaganda ng mga batang ito, okay? So, quel beaux enfants, okay? Quel, Q-U-U-L-S. But, we don't pronounce the S. Okay, when it say, quel beaux enfants, it's on the writing on écriture. Pag susulat po natin, malalaman yan. Okay, I hope it's clear. For pluriel, pluriel masculin, on utilise quel, Q-U-U-L-S. Silent S po siya after. Merci. And the last pluriel féminin is quel, Q-U-U-L-O-S. If you will see quel, U-L-O-S is L with S. This day. But day na femina because it's L. L. Il-O-L. If you remember il, E-L-S, L na U-L-O-S na femina day. Okay, so we have many examples here. I have 3 examples. Quelle couleur préfères-tu? Quelle couleur préfères-tu? Which colors do you prefer? Anong mga kulay na gusto mo? Anong mga kulay? It means more, many colors. Okay? Quelle couleur? Color is feminine. Couleur, color, couleur, kulay. Okay? Colors. We pronounce it as couleur, couleur, couleur. Okay? Couleur. Quelle couleur préfères-tu? Okay? Quelle couleur préfères-tu? What colors? Which colors do you prefer? Okay. Then we have, quelle langue parles-tu? Okay. Quelle langue parles-tu? Because langue is feminine, langue. Which languages do you speak? Anong mga wika ang ginagamit mo? Then, pouvez répondre, moi je parle beaucoup de langues. Je parle français, je parle anglais, je parle tagalog, ou dialecte, ou un peu espagnol, ok? Donc, quelle langue parles-tu? Which languages do you speak? Okay? Quelle langue? Langue. But with S, but we don't pronounce the S. We also with the quelle est langue. Okay? And also parle. Parle. It's not parles, huh? Parle. And préfère. Préfère. Okay? We don't pronounce the S. And then the last is, quelle jolie fleur. Quelle jolie fleur. What pretty flowers that we have now. Okay? Quelle jolie fleur. Quelle, jolie, jolie. Jolie is feminine because il y a E and S. Pag jolie, J-O-L-E lang, is only that is masculine. But when you put E is feminine and S is plural. And also fleur, une fleur, c'est féminin. So, pambabae po yung fleur, no? Fleur, jolie, ay féminin. Pambabae po yan. So, quelle jolie fleur? C'est féminin o féminine, okay? So, what pretty flowers? Anong magagandang bulaklak ang mga to? Okay. I hope it's clear. So, we use quel, Q-U-L masculin, quel singulier et quel, Q-U-U-L-E féminin singulier. And quel, next, quel, Q-U-U-L-S, c'est pour masculin pluriel. And then we have quel, Q-U-U-L-O-S, c'est pour féminin pluriel. I hope it's clear. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan ng mga to. And they are very easy, simple, but they are very useful for French language. Okay? I hope it's clear at huwag po sana akong kalimutang i-like, subscribe, at i-comment. Hope to see you soon. Merci beaucoup. Peut-être à demain. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao tout le monde. Bye.